Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin inside your Google account, sign in now and go straight to security. Once there, open third-party access or manage third-party access so you can see active app permissions. You're doing this to stop apps from reading or controlling data they no longer need, which reduces risk. Make sure two-step verification or a recovery phone is available. It speeds verification if Google asks. Now identify the app you want to remove and prepare to revoke its access immediately. You'll now remove the permissions. Select the app and review its scopes so you understand what's being revoked. Once reviewed, click Remove Access or Revoke and confirm to destroy its OAuth token. This prevents further API calls. If this is a work or school account, also check Google Workspace admin grants or connected apps in Admin Console. After revocation, make sure any app installed local credentials or saved passwords are deleted on your devices to prevent accidental reconnects. You're almost done. Sign out and sign back in to force session refresh so revoked tokens can't be reused. Then clear browser cache and cookies or remove the device from your devices list if it still had access. Make sure to check My Account Security later to confirm the app no longer appears. If the app reconnects, change your password and revoke app-specific passwords. That severs residual access. Troubleshooting tip: if revocation fails, wait a few minutes and retry, or reboot the device to clear cached credentials.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.